If you want a simple way to back up your computer to Google Drive, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to install Google Drive for desktop, choose the folders you want to protect, and make sure your important files are safely backed up to the cloud. This is a great option if you want peace of mind, easy file access from any device, and an extra layer of protection for your documents, desktop, and other important folders. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, you'll need to install and open Google Drive for desktop on your computer. If you don't already have it, download it from Google and complete the installation. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with the Google account you want to use for your backups. Make sure you use the correct account, especially if you have more than one Gmail account, because your files will be connected to that account in Google Drive. After signing in, look at the system tray on your computer, which is usually in the bottom right corner on Windows or the top right area on Mac. Click the Google Drive icon to open the app panel. This is where you can control backup settings and check sync status. Next, click the gear icon and choose Preferences. This is the main settings area where you'll tell Google Drive what you want to back up. In the Preferences window, look for the section called My Computer. Under that section, click Add Folder. Now you'll be able to choose the folder or folders on your computer that you want to back up. Common choices here include Documents, Desktop, Downloads, Pictures, or even Project folders if you want to protect work files. Select the folder you want, then confirm your choice. After selecting your folder, make sure you choose Backup to Google Drive. This is the important part because it tells Google Drive to copy your files into your drive storage so they are safely stored online. Depending on your setup, you may also see options related to photo and video backup, and you can decide whether you want those included as well. If you're only trying to back up certain folders, keep your selections focused so your drive stays organized. Once your folder is selected and the backup option is set, click Done, then click Save to apply your changes. Google Drive will begin backing up the folder in the background, and depending on the number and size of your files, it may take a few minutes or even longer to complete the first upload. While that happens, you can continue using your computer normally. You can always click the Drive icon again to check the status, see whether files are syncing, or confirm that the backup has started successfully. It's also a good idea to open Google Drive in your browser and make sure your files appear there after the backup begins. That way, you know your data is going where it should. If you ever want to add more folders later, just return to Preferences, go back to My Computer, and use Add Folder again. This gives you a flexible way to keep multiple parts of your computer protected without copying everything manually. And that's it. Your computer is now set up to back up to Google Drive. It's an easy and reliable way to protect your files from accidental deletion, computer issues, or hardware failure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.